I'm starting the second half of my dinner for tonight, and this is just the Asian steamed medley from Aldi. And the only thing that I do any differently, my hands are clean, just so you guys know, as I put my veggies in here, I just do not use the like these little seasonings that came with it. I just personally skip that part. Doesn't mean that you have to. I just personally choose to. And then these veggies are 1 point per cup. So these should be steaming. I'm trying to make sure I don't see any more of the little... I just take that seasoning out if I can, personally. Doesn't mean you have to, though. And this will steam for the last couple hours of cook time. I'm going to add a little bit of salt-free seasoning over top. And there we've got most of our meal all in one pot, which makes things super easy when it goes to cleaning things up. So I'll add a little bit of garlic in there too. There we go. Love y'all.